think the story's germ came from the fact that, when you go abroad, you see whether it's the memorial at World Trade Center or anywhere else, that there's a lot of respect given to firefighters. And that's when I thought that there was no film made on firefighters in India. And I thought that should be interesting to explore. And then the deeper you go in, the more you learn, and the more you feel the need to tell this story. So it's their story. We've tried to tell it as honestly as we can, and I think it also is extremely visually powerful. Their world, which is challenging for us as filmmakers, because it's not just telling somebody's story the way the drama is inherent over there, but the visual elements and the way as filmmakers you can actually use all your facets and all your talents and the HODs and the crew, which can actually bring their best to it, is what is the challenge and the fun part of it.
Honestly, I mean, this time around, the world was so fascinating, that I just wanted to be part of this world. Yes, I mean, my character Samit Sawant, yes, he's a very colorful, very, highly decorated cop and everything. All that apart, but I really wanted to be part of this because, it's about a representation to firefighters, who are very, very important to our society. Secondly, yes, that serves like the backdrop of the film, but to begin with, we are making a film to entertain people, so it has to have that kind. See, you read a script and then whether you want to be part of it or not, there and then you decide. So for me, it was an entertaining film to be part of. It was talking about something really nice. I like the character arc. And something new I could, show people around this time. So it was all takes, and I was again collaborating with Excel Media, which I've done a number of projects with them. So it was all, I mean, yeses, and when a name like Rahul sir's come, a filmmaker is a sensible one. The intentions are right. It's not just to titillate people in a wrong manner, but to say something which has some meaning. So I think it's an amalgamation of all these things. Yeah. It's hard to say, yaar. I mean, as an audience, yes, but selfishly as an artist, you're like, boss, ये कुछ अच्छा बनने वाला है, कुछ नया बन रहा है. I know the people who are making it. This is gonna be something nice. And what I am being offered is again very different, because this film को हमको बनाते हुए एक process लगा है, time लगा है बनाते हुए. So this whole, I think, journey started some 3 years back. When I first time read the script and everything, and उस time पे for me to play a cop, a mature man and something, I was like, it must be, something really nice for me to, explore. So yeah, but yeah, I like the question. I mean, I still don't have a particular answer that, whether it was the audience in me or the actor. But yeah, selfishly, kahin na kahin, I think it must be the actor in me, who wants to be part of this.
I think as an actor, you want to play different characters, like Devendra said. So, पर मुझे लगता है कि every film wants to entertain, and this is also an entertaining film. But what are the message? What is the message that it's trying to convey? So that was very important. Nothing has been made on this, so that was something. The world is new, and plus Rahul sir is making it. So again, but sometimes even if you don't, in matters like this, in scripts like this, sometimes even if you don't get a part of your like something different that you want to play, but still I think for me, like being a part of such an important film that sends an important message is more important, I feel. So even if I'm not able to get a part that is very different, I'll still be like to be a part of this.
I have a slightly filmy answer to this, but it's an honest answer. I think the human being took over the most, because I learned that I'm going to get educated as a citizen in a new light. It was a different world, a world never seen before.
Yeah.
And of course, as Devendu correctly said, that actor gets greedy when he or she sees something different, something unique, something special.
Yeah.
So all this did happen.
I think my character is, I think you can, huh?
Young firefighter.
Young firefighter, young blood, and 24 साल का हूँ मैं फिल्म में, रियल में नहीं हूँ, बट फिल्म में 24 साल का मैंने प्ले किया. So again, I think बहुत ही एक normal से strata of middle class strata of society से he belongs, and cannot we talk about Sayami and my
हाँ सयामी को
romance?
बोल सकते हैं ना, she's not here but
Like I mean, I have a
कुछ भी
love
बोलो
story
उसके
with
जो बोलना है बोल.
love story with Sayami, and my track with her, and plus the that's my personal and collectively as firefighters, how we are trying to navigate the things that are happening in the city. So. I think माशाल्लाह physically तो fit ही हूँ मैं. तो
ट्रेनिंग क्या किया था तूने?
ट्रेनिंग तो जो फायर फाइटर्स के साथ लाइक दे आर गोइंग अप एंड डाउन द बिल्डिंग,
drills
जो
वगैरह
ड्रिल्स दे नॉर्मल्स होती हैं. देन फर्स्ट टाइम आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वेंट टू उडाला फायर स्टेशन, देयर वाज दिस प्लेस दैट दे हैव बिल्ट देयर, that is you know just small spaces that is just for their drill. You have to go down and फिर ऊपर से जाली खोल के then you it's a proper maze sort of stuff, and the smoke है उसमें, it's like a simulation of real life. So when I first did that, so I was like when I first went in, so there's a timer, right? They told me that I am the first one who came out. Because I was like, I have to get out of this. I came out and they were like, आप सबसे जल्दी आए हो. मैंने बोला, no, it's not courage. I wanted to save myself.
ये सबसे पहला भी था.
सबसे
पहला भी था.
But I'll tell you,
मतलब वो उनका कहने का मतलब है, वो कहते हैं ना मैं रेस में फर्स्ट आया, अकेला ही भाग रहा था, वो वाला.
which happened on set for Sayami, because she's not here and we should talk about her
Yeah.
also. Okay, there was a scene where all these guys had to go from ground floor to second floor, और ऊपर वो उनका जो apparatus है, मास्क है, यूनिफॉर्म भी बहुत हैवी है, बूट्स है, रोप पकड़ना है, और ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है, वो लेके उनको वो वेस्ट है, वो सब लेके उनको भागना है ऊपर 2 फ्लोर. So we had told the production designer to make dummies, because you know there is like 7 pounds 8 pounds का खाली एक वो होता है. तो we did like 2 टेक हुआ, 3 टेक हुआ, 4 टेक हुआ. फिर सयामी तो भाग रही है, पप पप करके, बाकी सब नहीं भाग रहे. तो I said, अरे why are these guys running so slow? Because you have to show the spurti, no? Then I said, इतना difficult क्या है? And then I took one of the guys' oxygen cylinder, and whoop, I went down like that. So they had forgotten to put the dummy ones. So with the actual one, she is running up 2 floors and about 4 takes.
Yeah.
So that is just says volumes for her in that. और उसके मुंह पे एक वो नहीं है कि मैं थक गई हूँ या मुझे कुछ नहीं होता. I said, you should have told me this. But it was amazing, yeah. So that is the dedication which these guys had, and because they had trained for 8 weeks. All of them, Pratik also, Jitu also. Jitu भी ऊपर चढ़ गया था.